This is a 2013 C250. Today we'll be placing the bezel here. As you can see, it's been peeling. So we'll go ahead and do that. First thing first, disconnect the negative terminal because you'll be removing the airbag. First thing you'll do is remove the airbag. You will have to stick a screwdriver in these little holes that are on each side. There will be a lever that you will press inside of there that will remove the airbag. Once I remove it, I'll give y'all a better view of what it looks like, and we'll continue from there. Now that I've pressed both levers on both sides, I'm just gonna pull this out. It pops right out, so I'll pull this out. And we're gonna go ahead and unplug it there. And as you can see, those are the two tabs. When you stick a screwdriver into the hole, you will press like that, which will release both sides. Once we remove the airbag, unplugging it by pushing the two tabs here and here up on both sides together and pulling out. We are going to remove 4 torque screws, one here, and 2 behind here with a T20. Let me double check for you real quick. With a T20 torque screw, and then from there we'll be able to pop this out. Once we remove the 4 torque screws of a T20, the 2 here and 2 on each side, we will unplug the wire harness from the middle here by pushing down this tab right here on the back side. And then we will be removing the 6 torque screws total, 3 on each side, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, holding the buttons in place. And then we'll move from there. We will pull these out by pushing down on the tabs on both sides that are holding it in place, which will make it come right out. And we will install it into our new bezel. We've reinstalled the buttons and the 6 torque screws holding it in place in the new bezel. Go ahead and plug it in. Sorry about that. Plug it in place. So you hear that click. Be sure to keep the wire harness above, putting it in the grooves up top to give the airbag room to sit back in place. Push down. Then install the 4, 1, 2, and the 2 behind here torque screws to secure this. And then we'll reinstall the airbag. Now that I've screwed in the bezel, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the airbag. First thing first, obviously plug it in. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time as installing. So go ahead and plug it back into place. It only goes one direction, which is not that direction. So it actually, you see the harness, this part right here faces this way. So go ahead and plug that in. Like so, push it until you hear a click. There you are. And then just pop the airbag back in until you hear a click on both sides and it sits even. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as you can see, the new bezel's in place. Hopefully one day she'll come back and get these buttons in place. All right, please like and subscribe.